Hi guys, in today's YouTube video we're going to be doing MakeCode.arcade. So, I'm going to be going a bit quicker. We're going to scene, get the set background image 2. Then, go inside now. Then go to gallery. And then click this one. Or any background, you can draw your own background if you want to. Okay, then you click next. Now, we need a set my sprite to. Put it here. And you pick a little girl. As in the picture, right there. Press done. Next. Use move my sprite with buttons. Let's see which buttons. I don't think it tells us. And then we're going to put set my sprite stay in screen and make it on. Then we're going to have set to score 0, set life to 3. Next, on game update every 5,000 milliseconds. I'm gonna put it here. 5,000, okay. 5,000. Next, set projectile, okay. Then we need to draw a clover with 50-50, okay. Clover. I'm not really good at drawing, so I'm just gonna draw one. That's one of the clover pieces. Oops, I kind of messed that up. And then I'm gonna continue it down a bit. I'm messing up a bit. I don't think that looks much like a clover, but it's gonna have to do for now. I'm just gonna connect to these. Otherwise, they would just be floating clover pieces. Okay, next. Pick random. Okay, so we go to math. Get one of those. Then we get another. Let's just see how many numbers. Minus 50, then 50. Okay. So you do minus 50. Then it's 50. Then it's minus 50 again. And then it's 50. Next. Whoa. You get set B to projectile. Okay. We need to select duplicate. No! Duplicate. And then we put it there. This goes out. And then we change this new variable B. And we draw a tiny b. Let me just delete this from this one. I think the bees are supposed to be enemies in this game as well. We need to draw it. Okay. Apologies for my bad drawing skills. Okay. I'm gonna say that I'm just gonna put some wings. After you've done that, you go next, and then you go set B to kind enemy. Then you click next again. And then you go set sprite of kind player, so right here. And then, let me just check other sprite. This one needs to be projectile. And then we're gonna do destroy the other sprite. Okay. Destroy. Other sprite, so duplicate that in there and kick that out. And then we're gonna put destroy other sprite, put the ad with confetti, and it needs to be at 100 confetti right there. Next, you need to play the sound dubbing from the music, so right there. And then we change score by 1. So that's the dubbing sound. I'm just gonna mute it because I don't want to listen to that a lot. So then we're going to duplicate the entire thing and then change one of them to enemy. Just gonna put it over here. Enemy. Okay. Like so. And then we're gonna change this one. No, that one's an enemy. And we're going to change it to which one? Pew pew. Right there. Press next. And then we change life by -1. There we go. And we finished. So you press the finish button. I'm gonna call my one collect the Clovers because I think that's a cool name. If a bee hits you, it turns into confetti. So you need to collect as many as you can. But you try and dodge the bees and collect the Clovers. Ah, I'm missing the clover. Okay. And if you go into the minus, you can still collect Clovers to go into the positive. Then you press publish project and do this. So you can copy it if you want to, but I'm not going to. And then that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, wait. And if you didn't know, you have 3 lives. So if you go under -5, then you get 1 of your lives lost. I hope you enjoyed. This was a lot of fun, a lot of code. And I'll see you in the next coding video.